We'll guide you through how to write text behind object in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this instructional tutorial today, open Photoshop and carefully load a photo that contains a clear foreground object like a person or a mountain and a background. First, we need to add our text. Accurately select the horizontal type tool from the left toolbar. Click directly on the canvas and type your large text right over the middle of the image. Look closely at your layers panel safely located on the bottom right. You should clearly see your photo layer at the absolute bottom and your text layer perfectly on top. Click on your original photo layer to absolutely make sure it is actively selected. Now we definitely need to select the foreground object today. Go directly to the left toolbar and accurately choose the Quick Selection tool or the Object Selection tool if you currently have a newer version of Photoshop. Carefully click and smoothly drag over the foreground object in your photo until the marching ant selection perfectly outlines it. Once your object is absolutely completely selected, firmly press the Ctrl+J or Command+J on Mac key combination directly on your computer keyboard. This specific command instantly copies your active selection and smoothly pastes it onto a brand new blank layer. Look at your layers panel once again. You should absolutely now have exactly 3 separate layers. The original background photo completely at the absolute bottom, your typed text directly in the absolute middle, and the specific cutout object safely at the absolute top. If the newly cut out object is definitely not at the very top of the list, simply click and carefully drag its specific layer entirely up until it is successfully the highest active layer. Because the successfully cut out object layer is physically perfectly above the standard text layer, it immediately and wonderfully creates the beautiful visual illusion that the text is magically hiding straight behind it. Safely click directly on your standard text layer to completely and perfectly select it today. Accurately select the standard Move tool, which is the top icon safely located on the toolbar. You can absolutely now successfully click and smoothly drag your beautiful text securely around the active canvas, and it will effortlessly and magically slide seamlessly right behind your selected foreground object.